I'm going to clean the baseboards. This time I'm using a bigger head. Look at this one, way bigger than the last one. You just go buy a drill attachment and just put it onto your handheld rather than having a drill. So I like to do a 2-for-1 deal, and that's when you spray the walls with this foam. You foam some of the wall, and then you just wipe it off with a microfiber cloth. Because you have to wait a few minutes for the wall stuff to work. You shoot the baseboards, or window seals, they're not windows, floor seals, with a general cleaner. You then Ryobi with this massive head. So I spray it, I spray these, I Ryobi these, and then I go to the wall and wipe it off. And I'm done.